since she was just performing Poets Right in Hand Middle, Poets Right for Leave. For a long time, poets are right, all right, all right. And I used to go to all kinds of things and just sit down and listen to her and just say, wow, you know, just wow. So Cherry had wowed me from a long time. Love her, dear to my heart. Love her work. Ladies and gentlemen, she's the winner of the 2019 Irama Award. In a long time, poets are right. Cherry Natural.
And the 2019 Comic Award too. For, yes, for women, women who has contributed a lot to the society. It was 14 of us, so I have to beat them up, although them not big and broad yet, I still have to beat them up.
Yeah, man.
Yes. I give thanks, you know. I see a whole heap of poets in the place, you know. I see Dawit, I see Ras Jaja, I see a handsome young poet, you know, I don't even remember his name because I don't see him for a long time. I better play that show. I better play. And then I see one bad poet there, you know, him thing play on the radio all the while. See him there? Ras Jaja. Big up yourself, poets. All poets. Alright, this one, this poem is kind of bit asserting my spirit. I'm a poet that just asserting my spirit. I really kind of dwell sometimes, you know, there are a lot of things where life really do me because I could have write 10, around 20 books. But this is kind of bigging up my spirit. It's called It Is What It Is. Every day I rise with purpose and passion, never had to set the alarm. Before the morning dawns, I'm awake. Step out of the bed with a sweet melody playing in my head, ready to claim what's mine. Have no time to make the same mistakes twice. It's a choice. Each step I take have to be positive and precise. Can't pray, sit, then wait. At this state, too much is at stake. I need to upgrade and turn this raw passion into a crusade. I'm a poetic disciple. Work is my religion. My mission is to spread poetry like the gospel. When opportunity knocks, I greet it at the gate with faith and a handshake. Won't sit and salivate for a piece of the proverbial pie. I have the mental ability to bake my own cake. It is what it is. Your opinions of me can't pay my bills. What you see is what you get. The real me, not the silhouette. Judge me when you're perfect. I don't believe in four-leaf clovers, shooting stars, or Santa Claus. This mind is my tool, and I am its boss. My ideas are like flints. Put them together, they ignite and start a fire, sending sparks into the ethers. The heat from the flames turns steel determination into a sharp sword to cut through the maze. Haters going to need a fire extinguisher to put out this blaze. This blaze. Like a phoenix from the ashes, I will rise, re-energize, ready for the next phase. To survive in this life, I had to study how the world operates. It's either you fight for what you believe in or keep quiet and watch your dreams evaporate. It is what it is. Your opinions of me can't pay my bills. What you see is what you get. The real me, not the silhouette. Judge me when you're perfect. Judge me when you're perfect. In my view, you have a very low IQ if you want me to be like you. From what I observe, you don't even like you. What you think? It's none of my business. I love my life as it is. No one can assign me apart or pin me down with a handful of adjectives. In this drama, I choose the roles I want to play, edit the script to suit my own genetics. I have one life to live. Before I exit, I'm gonna make it epic. I'm gonna make it epic. Use the time. So yeah, life I couldn't care less who vex. Life is short. Use the time you have left to work on your bad habits. What you perceive, you can't add it to my reality. Let me do the mathematics. 80% of my success only depends on 20% of who have my best interest.
Aye.
So it is what it is. Your opinions of me can't pay my bills. What you see is what you get. The real me,
Not the silhouette. Judge me when you're perfect.
What we say?
Judge me when you're perfect.
Personally, I'm not telling a lie. It's one of the worst things I hate. You see, if me did study badness, oh my God, man, I appear dead people. No, for real, you know. Huh? Yeah, man, for real. Because you have people who come tell you, because I say, boy, children that child, them don't even know why you do what you do. Yeah, all right. Remember when we used to paint pictures with words? Each note, wait there, make I get the book, you know, because I have it in my head, I look like, because I hear the Holy Ghost clapping it. You know, those things do that to you. Yes. People are acting like they don't do it today. This is the lyrical contortionist.
Available here at Book Ophelia.
Yes, yes. I want to pick up Book Ophelia, you know, because Book Ophelia big run about.
You have to buy books, people. That's what keeps it open.
Yeah. Buy books, invest in the, you know, local writers and things.
Man.
Yeah, man. Slamwich. I'm looking to Slamwich 76.
Definitely jeans.
Levi jeans.
You have to
you love it. You love Levi. You have a Levi jeans?
No, but you have to do it.
Alright. Slamwich. Remember when we used to paint pictures with words? Follow me on the journey. Use the tongue as the paintbrush. Each stroke was a different gesture. Every sentence have its own color. No full stop, no comma. Animated stories used to move with. It's like you're watching a movie. Nowadays things change. Long story cut short. Them youths are not talk or take talk. As you start a conversation, and when you are say, dog, yo dog, you don't know we have the thing locked. Mad. Baby, we just born, I tell you them out and bad. Not just no one, not even God. Them no have no fear, sicker than the intensive care. If you diss them, they make you disappear. Give you a funeral in a diss your ear. Blood cold, you feel a chill when them come near. No heart, just a block of ice. Have to eat a food. You're so nice. You're so nice. From parliament to the market, I saw them target. Slanging words, no target. Head no good again, head sick. Underpants, underarm, pants, pan hip. Swagging right back on the slave ship. Right back on the slave ship. Young girls clueless, exposing Victoria's secrets. Leaving nothing to the imagination, keeping up with the Kardashians. Teen rage gone viral, spreading like a virus. Twerking, twerking, twerking like Miley Cyrus. 6 or 1, half a dozen of the other. Social media, creating antisocial behavior. A whole generation raised by gadgets. Bedtime stories of neglect. The smallest a youth home alone, left with a smartphone. No babysitter. Parents are do road. You have to follow them on Twitter. Right now the pressure slap way. No survivor for where others dash way. Poverty a happen. The government need to do something. Our little island is swimming in a sea of debt with waves of high prices. Stress gone up, way up. The problem's deep and nobody can cross it. Nobody can cross it. The Jamaican dollar is sinking. The dollar can't swim. The dollar is drowning. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. I said call the contractor. We need the contractor to fix the country's debt and a 30 grand debt, $1 trillion debt. So call the contractor. Levi jeans.
Yeah, man.
Let me do Levi jeans before we do bad poet.
Yeah, I was giving very specific instructions.
Yeah? Alright, Levi jeans. Anybody in here, any young man in here with a Levi jeans, you're going to have to go get a Levi jeans when you leave here, you know. Yeah, Levi, it's in a love poems. Levi jeans, 46, love poems. Poetry is a wonderful thing. We have a lot of poets in Jamaica, trust me. But, you know, sometimes I don't know if, when we see me at the award ceremony, we see Minister Grange, and she tell me how much she going to invest in poetry, but we know that was a sporadic moment thing, you know. We know that. She kind of, yes, kind of, nah, they are no bad name yet, because I never really go and sit down in her office and ask her for any money. But I'm trying to get to the office and I'm not getting through. She gave me a number to call, and I'm not getting through, you know. But she makes some promises. Levi jeans, I've been watching you from across the room. The way you move in those Levi jeans, it's like a work of art. The bounce of your step is so hypnotic. Me no asthmatic, but me find myself a blow short. If me never smart and know the proper adjectives, me the costume cloth. And don't give a damn what the neighbors thought. Long story short, listen to this part. You grip me spellbound like one of Michael Jackson's performance. The way you make me feel, may I take the chance and give you some loving in advance, man. If you catch me staring, that body oil you're wearing is so endearing. It and your physique is making me weak, provoking my feminine mystique. Why you looking good? You must be a twin. Because one person couldn't be so damn good looking. Big up your father jeans and your mother cooking. Can I have your number? This lonely soldier would like to invite you over so we can get closer. Art is my passion. Let's create poetic magic on the sofa. You be the pen, I will be the paper. This poem don't need a lot of words. Take out the adjectives and leave the verbs. Hey. I'm not that hard to please. Sometimes all I need is a cup of herbal tea, a foot massage, and a firm shoulder. Baby, fulfill my needs. When you're coming over, please don't forget to wear those Levi jeans. Anybody going to get a Levi jeans? Yes, nice. And the last piece, you know, because we have a lot of poets, you know. And although Julia talk, you know, you have some poets who want to do one poem, but not too long, you know, because we have to get out of here. We have to get out of here.
I was told to follow this list.
Okay. The amount of fight me get, me could I be a professional boxer with the heavyweight title on my face and every boxing poster. Anyway, never mind. Watch how me knock out bad mind in the second rounds with some wicked punchlines. Me will lick you with words, we sting you like a bee. I'm poetry's Muhammad Ali, real as DNA. My confidence is so contagious. If you disbelieve, do a survey. And me give cliche makeovers. Me no borrow nothing from nobody. Me build me own metaphors. You see me, yeah? My similes are not even similar to what is popular. Dubbing it, a cappella. So right now what you're getting is just the tip of the iceberg. Thoughts deep, not just some nice verse. Art, authentic. From this lip, loose words not slip. My tongue can sink any ship. Don't try to contort these lyrics. Read my lips. I am the lyrical contortionist. I need no ventriloquist. Will never be nobody's puppet. Cause me a bad poet. Bad Bad poet. Give thanks.
Yeah.
Bad poet yourself. Cherry Natural. And remember, Lyrical Contortionist is available here at
Yes.
Bookophilia. Please, as far as books go, it's pretty reasonable. It's 2,200. So,
Get your
just
copy and you get a whole heap of bad poems in there.